Good day to my soon-to-be client, and this is my first time ever introduction video for applying the work virtual assistant, because my previous work before is account and finance encoder. Now I try to find my own first client, and be patient to my pronunciation uh, because I'm not BPO or have no experience in call center. That's why my pronunciation is different. But I easily understand English and follow the some of many instructions. So I hope we will work together in good way. So I do multitasking and work under pressure because I can save your time, and I also make your business in a higher sales. And also I have skills in multimedia edit, so no problem with the content to your pages or social media platform. Thank you and have a nice day.